Angela, real MJ.
Yeah, people are at work right now watching.
One more.
Thank you, Gaza.
Jonathan, big up. Mighty, who can put up a score.
Thank you, Vin. Thank you, Han.
Hey, Joyce,
Times 2, guys. This is the last one. I just want to cut him off.
My
Times
team,
2, guys.
my team, double. Joyce, whatever your name is.
Times 2, guys.
Joyce, whatever your name is, boy, you are not Jamaican.
I'm a truck driver.
From front way, girl. My
Thank
team,
you, Ree.
double, my team, double. Somebody shoot.
Listen, Dev, you're finished, so just leave that out, please. Thank you, the one. You can't even put up not even 500. That's embarrassing, you know.
I come and I talk with people want me to hear them say, oh. I saw it go when you. Hey, blood clot, girl. Miss Exclusive, come suck my front way too. Blood clot there. My team, somebody help me out now. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot.
Guys, I want to reach 2,000 and then I'm good. Everyone work together. I just want to reach 2,000 and then I'm good. And I could cut him off. Come on, guys. So why does your face look like that?
People just fucked up nowadays. You have to say what they must say for them support you. Can't have your own opinion.
You could be yourself. Vin, I can't beg your money gun, Vin. It's because he's too disrespectful. He will not win. That's true.
Talk your mum over this about disrespectful. You stink.
Cassia, you good, hon? This is the last one, guys. I'm going to cut him off after this. Thank you, Chica. Thank you, hon. Look at his face. Poor little thing. No, the comments are too funny. Thank you, Ree.
So go man. You know? So go with them people.
Yeah, it's true. He's jealous for real. I know. I know he's burning. I know. I know already. What the hell? He
One
slapped
CJ
him.
record. Big up yourself, bro.
What the hell?
One CJ
He just took all my
record.
points.
One CJ record. Big up yourself, bro. G. Move your dirty blood clit and go. Them people, let me tell you with them people over there.
Don't even start now. What the hell? He took all my points.
Everybody grab up my CJ record, you know. Follow my bro G, everybody. One CJ record. I'm gonna chat too much over this, so man.
Thank you, Vin. One and only. Marina, Chica, Portia, everyone.
That I want a problem, you see.
You just won one game, so
No,
please.
at the end of the day is, let me tell you something. You see, people you tell us that them have your back. And them not have no back for you. You see what I say? That is.
So where are you going with this?
I try to tell us 99% of your people them don't give a fuck about you.
Oh gosh. Guys, this always happens. He wins one and he's full of chat.
Yeah.
Look how much I beat you and you just won one.
I lost one we are playing, then you can go and go do your thing.
Thank you, Melisha. Guys, I want to win this one, please.
Last one me are playing, then
come on, guys, let's take his 1 point and fuck off with him. Come on, guys, let's take his 1 point and fuck off with him.
Me None of my gift that them no pass through from morning.
I don't think that guy's gonna snipe you again, to be honest.
None of my gift that them.
Nikki, after this one, I'm cutting him off. Thank you, Shona. Thank you, Mikkel Mummy. Thank you, hon. I just don't want his side to snipe. Thank you, Charlene. Thank you, hon. Sachel, thank you. I'm confused how people are.
Beauty Dolly, big up yourself. CJ Rika, everybody.
Thank you,
Beauty
Sarah
Dolly,
Shona.
Ash. Beg your strength there, please.
Thank you, Charlene, hon.
Beauty
Thank you.
Dolly, Lashes. Beg your strength there, please. Don't make she
Chinky
win.
Chinks, he's good, thank you.
Don't make she win. Don't make she win.
Thank you, Maz.
Do not make she win. Someone a blood clot
His
woman
side
over
is
there,
sneaky.
so.
Let me tell you what they're gonna do. They're gonna snipe at the end. That's what they do. They're bloody sneaky.
Yeah, my team. Snipe. Somebody.
Guys, we need
5
5
different
roses.
rules. You just have a bag of people over here, blood clot life when I business with you. Yeah.
Guys, we need 5
Flame, Nikki
roses.
baby.
Thank you,
What? Nikki
Angela.
baby,
Thank you,
they are
hon.
flame.